Bottle laser welding machine. Machine with automatic rotation system and clamp jig. Uses a high-fine laser beam to join metal components of the bottle, ensuring strong and seamless welds with minimal thermal distortion. Offers accurate and consistent welding, essential for achieving a leak-proof and good finish. Can be integrated into production lines with conveyors or robotic arms for fully automated workflows. Our machine could weld a variety of metals, such as stainless steel, aluminum, and titanium, commonly used for bottles.